How to make money with TikTok. Discover how to earn extra cash with your TikTok channel. TikTok, formerly known as Musical.ly, is a popular app for creating short videos, and TikTok has become a popular platform to make money online. So how to make money from TikTok? These are some steps which will help you to make money from TikTok. Step 1. You have to make a unique TikTok profile. Think of creating contents which people will welcome and like continuously. Your reason of making a TikTok account should be increasing followers as many as possible. Step 2. You have to pick those songs or concepts which are trending. You can do a little bit of surfing on some popular social media platforms to find out what's popular and trending. Step 3. You can link your YouTube and Instagram account with TikTok. It will help you to increase audience reach for your TikTok videos. To add your YouTube channel, you need to navigate to the Profile tab on TikTok, tap Edit Profile and then tap Add YouTube option. To add your Instagram account, you can tap Add Instagram under Edit Profile option. Step 4. You have to make sure that your video is interesting to a large audience. If you can do this successfully, your views and engagement count will get increased, pushing up your organic search traffic. Step 5. Similar to Twitter or Instagram, add related hashtags you are posting to boost visibility of your content. Step 6. Once you get a decent amount of followers on your profile, you can be approached by brands to showcase their product on your video. Usually brands offer money to influencers for their promotion. Step 7. You can also ask celebrities or other influencers for your video. It will too help you to gain people's attention on your content. These steps will not only help to gain followers on your account but also provide an option of earning money through promotions. Want to know how to make money with TikTok? Download our guide on our website, tiktokdollars.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our TikTok YouTube channel for more videos. Download our TikTok Make Money Guide now. Click the link in the description below. tiktokdollars.com